Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tuesday Tip series, and today in our sixth episode we are going to talk about the meal sequencing. Meal sequencing is a strategy to manage our satiety and hunger pangs by simply placing the fiber and vegetables, proteins before the carbohydrates in our food sequencing. Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism suggests that by simply doing the meal sequencing, we can slower the satiety hormone GLP-1 and also improves the ghrelin, which is a hunger hormone. And this in turn helps us improving the sugar spikes and also in the weight management. A study published in Obesity 2022 also suggests that if you take the high calorie diet in the earlier uh, duration or the time of the day, it helps in managing the weight better than having the high calorie diet in the evenings. A study in 2015 suggests that if you are taking the glucose or the carbohydrates later than proteins and fiber, it helps in managing your glucose spikes and also the managing type 2 diabetes. These evidence-based practices helps us to guide our clients doing a meal sequencing in which the fiber is being suggested to take in first. It creates a gel-like layer in your intestines, which reduces or slows down the absorption of carbohydrate, and hence it helps in managing your satiety, your hunger pangs, and also slows down the digestion process, which also in turns help you from any kind of like post meal snacking patterns. When next to fiber, we suggest to take the proteins also takes longer to get digested. In this way the gastric emptying also is reduced, and also the essential fatty acids and essential amino acids are being taken when in the combination of some healthy fats too, and this really helps a lot in the management of the diabetes patients as well as in the weight management. Now coming third will be your carbohydrate intake. Once you already consume fiber and protein, and third when you consume the carbohydrate, it really helps in reducing the digestion of the carbohydrate and absorption, and hence there is no glucose spike. At the same time there is no hypoglycemic episodes as well, because there is no energy crash happening in the body. Fourth is the fermented food. It is very important to keep your gut good and healthy, and the gut microbiome needs to be provided with some healthy bacteria and gut friendly food. So just consuming some fermented food at the end or in between of the meals, by just doing a simple tricks of meal sequencing, you can manage your blood glucose, your weight management goals during the festive seasons also. So do consume the food in the right sequence, and utilize the meal sequencing strategy to improve your diabetes as well as the weight management. Stay tuned for more. Enjoy with good and well balanced diet. Keep smiling, be a good person. Take care. Bye bye. Namaste.